Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to remove AliExpress annoying notification. As you can see, AliExpress sending notification continuously, so it's very annoying. So I will show you how to stop this kind of notification. So let's get started. First, long press on the AliExpress icon, then click on app info. After that, you can click on force stop. Click on OK. As you can see, notification has been removed. And the second way is, after coming to this window, click on notification. Then here you can see allow notification. Just turn it off. From now, you will not receive notification from AliExpress. So this is today's video. If you like my video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.